Yes, an absolutely amazing idea. What an incredibly fantastic hotel. What did I discover here as the Best Hotel Tester once again? A tiny treasure of service and luxury combined with business. That's what it is. I arrive in Dubai after a fantastic flight. I arrived with the chauffeur service and landed at the Sheraton Grand Dubai and descend to the lobby. So there is a check-in area for Elite members. That was quite speedy. It was said that we have an upgrade for you. And whoops, I was up here and then I came in here. What a fantastic hotel. All newly renovated rooms, everything in top condition. That brings joy. Because apart from that, there was a very interesting appreciation. Firstly, upon entering a suite, which is an upgrade, one immediately gets the impression that careful consideration has been given to the details. Here they have thought along, for me as a customer, fruit and water and even a bottle of Prosecco. And then this little cap where you think, how can that be? How can one put in so much effort? And then you enter the area of the bedroom and then everything is also of the finest quality. I've made a hotel room tour for you. Everything is clearly visible for you to see the beauty. You should definitely watch it. Comes here directly to this review and of course also as an extra room tour. This hotel management, here as well we return to the facts. We affirm in Hamburg, the fish smells bad at the head. Here I have to say this is really great. This hotel management as well as, let's say, the entire sales management and what it's all called today with marketing and so on, they have a fantastic product here and they are convinced of it themselves. And they transmit it. And I experience that as a visitor when I arrive here, also as a participant. By informing me as a member will do a bit more for this member as they might return, and I've discovered a new favorite hotel in Dubai. The Sheraton Grand is my new favorite hotel. So beautiful, so great, such a fantastic service. Then there's also a club lounge, really, where you think this can't be true. Great atmosphere, friendly staff, and everything works. Do you know, that just works. Breakfast is here, it is of good quality. It has this pleasant feeling just as a member. Here I am a guest, here I am permitted. Truly that is this feeling. And then I told myself, okay, then I'll examine the hotel. So everything is pretty central here and you can truly take a small walk to the Emirates Towers or something similar to that. Everything is really well organized here now, no problem. So you're not far from the action here, but right in the middle and can get everywhere relatively easily. There's the possibility here to have a spa where you can have massages and also enjoy sauna, so massage is extra, but sauna and so on are included. Then there is a jacuzzi here. What also impressed me was the rooftop pool. Well, they don't have a huge pool, but you can swim there nicely. It is a pleasant atmosphere. Then they also have a gym. We do not require more. Thus, we simply need a service that functions well. We need a place where you feel comfortable. We need good rooms or suites, as in this case. As a member, a nice upgrade and special appreciation for your loyalty to this chain. And then the surprising thing for me, really, I was so surprised that on that evening, really, when I arrived here like this, and usually when you fly with Emirates, you arrive here around midnight, then you can just relax in a fantastic king-size bed. The bathroom is spacious with a bathtub, shower, bidet, so all these things that one needs, all the utensils are there, from creams to toothbrush, and I have a well-functioning housekeeping here. The elevators are fast, so you don't have to stand for long when I think about the JW Marriott Hotel. Sometimes you stand there for an hour until you have taken the elevator from A to B. That's going fantastic here. And it was a surprising hotel for me, I can say that clearly. The Sheraton Crawl in Dubai is now one of my favorite hotels. If Sheraton wakes up a little, takes an example from this hotel, and starts implementing it worldwide, then Sheraton will also become a success again. Here they understood how to be there for us as guests. I feel very comfortable here and will definitely come back to this hotel. For this, it's a real go and a thank you for this appreciation. Isn't that great?
It's my fault. Sometimes I feel that I'm dreaming when I can't feel you so close. You're in my head, dirt on my thoughts. I wanna stay calm until I can get your I don't know how I got into this, but I know I want you right here. Is this love? Oh, please let me know, 'cause I'm waiting for you. I don't know how I got into this, but I know I want you right here. Is this love? Oh, please let me know, 'cause I'm waiting for you. I am in love, and it's my fault. Sometimes I feel that I'm dreaming when I can feel you so close. You're in my head, dirt in my thoughts. I wanna stay calm until I can get your love. I am in love, and it's my fault. Sometimes I feel that I'm dreaming when I can feel you so close. You're in my head, dirt in my thoughts. I wanna stay calm until I can get your love. Why don't you see me? I'm here, waiting for you all the time. Why don't you pick up your phone? Baby, I just wanna say hi. Why don't you see me? I'm here, waiting for you all the time. I don't know how I got into this, but I know I want you right here. Is this love? Oh, please let me know, 'cause I'm waiting for you. I don't know how I got into this, but I know I want you right here. Is this love? Oh, please let me know, 'cause I'm waiting for you. I don't know how I got into this, but I know I want you right here. Is this love? Oh, please let me know, 'cause I'm waiting for you. I don't know how I got into this, but I know I want you right here. Is this love? Oh, please let me know, 'cause I'm waiting for you.
Where are you? Tell me where you go, it's not good. Be without your love, but I'm fine. And I would try to set that in my mind. Wherever I go in my dreams, when I lay in my bed, we can get you out of there. I just wanna make you feel special, but I know you don't want me 'cause I know your type is alright. Well, I'm dying inside. Yeah. I just wanna make you feel special, but I know you don't want me 'cause I know your type is alright. Well, I'm dying inside. Your love, your love, your love, your love. Babe, it's not a big deal, you're not special. Babe, stop thinking you're special. Your love, your love, your love, your love. Babe, it's not a big deal, you're not special. Babe, stop thinking you're special. Your love, your love, your love, your love. Babe, it's not a big deal, you're not special. Babe, stop thinking you're special. Your love, your love, your love, your love. Babe, it's not a big deal, you're not special. Babe, stop thinking you're special. Where are you? Tell me where you go, it's not good. Be without your love, but I'm fine. And I would try to set that in my mind. Wherever I go in my dreams.